Precious loves you. You're on his tail, Tony. Sorry, Precious. Yeah, everybody's outside, happy. It's a nice day. We're in Tampa, so it's about, I don't know, what do you think it is?
71, 70?
Yeah. So it's a nice day. It's not too hot, it's not too cold.
Look, when he didn't come over because he saw the bird on me.
No, you have to tell him. Come up. See? He'll come up. I know.
Lucky.
Lucky, you want to go up too? Go ahead, there's room for you. Yeah. I know, what in the world? Everybody's happy when Dad's home. Was he big?
It looks like it could be at least 5 foot.
Was he laying by the side or out?
No, it's just his head was in the water.
Tony was walking the dogs this morning, and there's a pond right by our front door, and there's a new gator friend in there, so
Maybe he moved in for the holidays.